Hello, glad to have you join us once again on the 3-day weather forecast. I am Paul Ugbah. The satellite imagery before us shows how dust was transported from the source region in Chad down into the country and affected different parts of the north, as we see in pink coloration. Over Maiduguri, this dust reduced horizontal visibility to 400 meters and led to flight cancellation. However, rainfall activities have shifted towards the southern belt as we see pockets of active thunder cells over this region represented in red color. And so for the rest of Thursday, we expect this dust in circulation to prevail over the northern parts of the region and keep the area in dust haze, with a likelihood of maintaining horizontal visibility between 1 to 3 kilometers and locally less than 1,000 meters in 1 or 2 places. There are also prospects for thunderstorms over the central parts of the country down to the southern parts, with partly cloudy conditions expected over the inland cities of the southwest. For our maximum temperature, we expect the highest value over Yola areas at 34 degrees Celsius during the day, and the lowest value at 29 degrees Celsius over at 26 degrees Celsius over Jos in Plateau State. But at night, we expect temperatures to range between 18 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius over the north. These values have dropped significantly as a result of the dust suspended in the atmosphere. Over the southern parts of the country, we expect daytime temperatures to range between values of 31 degrees Celsius and 33 degrees Celsius. And at night, we expect values to range between 20 degrees Celsius over Lagos and 25 degrees Celsius. The air quality forecast for this day is expected over the north to have an index that is considered unhealthy for sensitive groups of people, that is, people who are allergic to airborne diseases. However, the air quality forecast presents a moderate air quality index over the southern and central parts of the country, which poses little or no threat to persons living within this area. By Friday, we still expect dust haze to prevail over the northern parts of the country, with visibility expected to range between 1 to 3 kilometers and locally less than 1,000 meters. In other parts of the country, extending from the central down to the southern parts of the country, we expect thunderstorms to prevail, while partly cloudy conditions are expected over Niger and Kwara State. For our maximum temperature on this day, we expect values to drop slightly, particularly over Yola, down to 33 degrees Celsius during the day and 25 at night. In Jos, we expect the temperature values during the day to be 26 and at night 18 degrees Celsius, while over Sokoto areas, we expect value to range to be 32 during the day and 24 at night. Over the southern parts of the country, we expect values to also drop over Lagos to 19 degrees Celsius at night to 24 degrees Celsius over Calabar and Oyo areas. We expect daytime values over this area to range between 31 and 33 degrees Celsius. For our air quality forecast on Friday, we expect the air quality over the northern parts of the country to still remain unhealthy for sensitive group of persons. However, the entire atmosphere is still considered acceptable for most of the persons. Over the southern and central parts of the country represented in yellow, moderate index shows that no significant threat exists for persons living around this area. By Saturday, we still expect the dust to be in circulation. However, there is a slight improvement in horizontal visibility over the northern parts of the country, with dust expected to still prevail over most of the places in the north. We expect partly cloudy conditions in parts of the central states and also the inland cities of the south, with prospects for thunderstorms in parts of the FCT and parts of Benue State and also the southern parts of the country. For our maximum temperature on this day, we expect values to range over the north between 26 degrees Celsius and 34 degrees Celsius during the day, and at night values to range between 18 to about 24 degrees Celsius. While in the southern parts of the country, we expect daytime values to range between 31 degrees Celsius and 36 degrees Celsius. And at night, values are expected to range between 19 degrees Celsius to about 24 degrees Celsius. This is where we'll conclude our 3-day forecast. Thanks for watching and see you.